Very popular there is a Davao. Pastors preach, believe in the power of first fruits. Oh, unsa man ang first fruits, Pastor?
You're welcome back to my channel, and this is Truth and Clarity with Ejiro on Ejiro's Media TV. Now we're taking another look at first fruits, and I know this pastor is not an English-speaking pastor, but he made a lot of sense in this very short clip. Let us watch the video while we come back to it.
Ang first fruits daw, according to this people, tanan nimong salary, tanan nimong income, gross, ihatag sa church. January, kanang January yun, tibuok nimo kung imong sweldo, 20,000, tibuok, 20,000. Ay sag hunahuna sa imong rental, ay sag hunahuna sa bill sa kuryente, ay sag hunahuna sa tubig, ay sag